with values, what's most important is, rather even more important than the values themselves, is how we choose to apply them. And that always has to be true love. And that is always how we stay most true to the values themselves, because I mean, they're meaningless, they are simply words if we are not living them and living them with love and applying them in ways sort of with care and compassion. In much the same way everybody can to sort of the daily actions of life, each choice that we make as part of sort of the society that we are part of and the world that we are part of has an impact on the future of the world as a whole. So each step, if done correctly, is aimed at fostering a stronger local, global, national community, and that is what really builds the world forward, and that is the impact that everybody can have in every situation.